It seems to me like these trips and schedules are being created under the assumption that conditions are perfect. That's never the case. Traffic issues, mechanical issues, wheelchairs.
If there's an accident, if there's a traffic jam.
Elderly to get on and off because you're kneeling at 90% of your stops. So that takes time. When you have to lower the bus.
If your bus breaks down and we're late, it's our fault. If a garbage truck is holding us up, it's our fault. If you're sitting on a bus and see that the ambulance got something blocked off, it's still our fault, even though things are out of our control.
When we have an issue and we're supposed to call for help, half the time it sounds like we're an inconvenience to them. The bus can be blowing out black smoke and everything, and they're like, just keep running with it.
A lot of times, we as people don't get our breaks.
There are routes where you make it so late to your layover point that you're already late beginning your next trip. And then whatever time you lost going one way, you're probably going to lose about that going the other way.
You can be late, miss your lunch. They don't have anybody to give you a meal relief. It's more than just about eating. It's like that's your time to recoup and get your mental health together.
And you have to use the restroom, so you're losing a couple more minutes.
You have to take your bathroom break because if you don't, you'll end up messing up your bladder.
And my doctor told me, because I have a condition called diverticulitis, you have to do what you're supposed to do. You have to go to the restroom. And a lot of times management doesn't understand that. They don't understand that a lot of us older drivers, we have to take care of ourselves.
A lot of the company's decisions are basically based off of the company and the people who never drove a bus. Operator is never asked.
Management don't come out and ride the bus with us. Let them come out and ride the bus with us and see what we go through every day.
In the vast majority of these late cases, it has nothing to do with the operator. We want to make it there when we're supposed to make it there just as much as you do. We don't want to be late.
I do understand their frustrations. I do understand why they're upset, but they don't see what we go through every day.
We're human beings just like they are. At one point in time, we were customers just like they were.
If I could talk to the riders, I would say to them, you have to see it from the driver's point of view. Because if you want me to be an effective driver, give me the tools that I need. Give me the tools, give me the time, and see what the solution can be.